So we really love this little coffee espresso machine. It comes with everything you need to make great espresso. You get this coffee scoop and tamper for your system, and then you get a single and a double espresso holder, and that goes right inside your system here. It's got a nice sized water reservoir back here that's super easy to lift at this part here and refill, and then you just easily put your coffee in here, twist it, get it set up. The one thing I have noticed, and we'll see if it will focus in well enough, but the handle here is already starting to crack a little bit. It's plastic, and so it's still functional. I've had it for less than a week, so you can see it through here and through here, and it's from how hard you have to kind of twist it to get it on, and I don't know what that will do to the quality. It's still very functional, has no issues, but it is starting to crack, and that definitely makes me wonder how long this part itself will last. But the system as a whole is super easy to use. You turn it on here. Since I'm doing a double, I just press that button, and then within a couple moments, I have this beautiful espresso just pouring right out. And that beeping lets you know that you are done, and it is